Kikilalanin na natin sila June, Kay at C. Binibining talinhaga.
Oh!
Number 1.
Yes, Pime.
Ba't ka nagpapatawa?
Hindi, seryoso siya.
Ay, hindi. Okay. Number 1. Kamusta ka?
I'm feeling pretty right now.
Uy!
May
May accent!
I'm sorry. Maybe that was the reason why she was not reacting while I was conversing with her earlier. So, your candidate number 1, how did you prepare for today?
I just...
Called to say I love you.
No.
Yes, how did you prepare for today's competition?
I just drink a lot of water and just stayed pretty.
Oh, so
Pretty, oh.
yes, we all need water for
Yes,
hydration.
of course.
Yes.
But how come you look dehydrated today? Candidate number 1.
Siguro, Meme.
Allow me to come closer to you.
Yes.
So, how much water did you take today?
At least like, just a bottle, Meme. But 1 liter.
Just
1 liter
just
bottle.
1 liter of
Yes.
water. Okay.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
do you need water?
It keeps us rehydrate, and water is really an essential for human living.
Actually, as I look at you, you don't need rehydration. You need
What is it, Meme?
rehabilitation.
Why? Why rehabilitation?
What do you think? Do you need more rehydration or rehabilitation?
I guess.
Oh, and I saw your
What?
skin. It needs
What?
rejuvenation. Just like me, I also need rejuvenation. I can share my beauty products with you.
Oh, thank you, Meme.
Okay, so what's keeping you busy?
I work a lot in the
I'm sorry, I would like to rephrase my question. I don't want to use the word busy. So what's keeping you tired?
Bakit tired naman?
Hindi lahat ng busy tired. Kasi
Yeah.
iba nagbibisi-bisihan lang. Siya mukha talagang totoong busy.
Ito talagang pagod na pagod sa trabaho.
Yeah.
Yeah, I work a lot in the slums of Tondo, Manila.
Yun.
Catriona!
Charing! I actually work in a BPO setting, and during weekdays, I usually go to places like museums, and as much as possible during at least monthly, I go to travel like solo.
What kind of museum do you go to? Like art museum?
Yes.
The planetarium?
Mostly art museum.
Art
Meme.
museum. Okay.
How very cultured, no?
Yeah, how
Yes.
dare you?
Oh.
Why dare you?
How dare you go to the museum?
Grabe yung titig mo kay Juan, ha?
Yes.
Para talagang namamangha ka.
I know.
Oo.
With this beauty,
Yes.
Lalo na ikaw.
Yeah.
Parang gusto
Diba?
mo makipag-Englishan sa...
Yes, of course. Excuse me, number 1.
yeah,
Ang layo mo, nag-excuse ka pa. Para ba magkakabunggu ako?
No, because you're talking to Vice Ganda, so
Yeah,
I want
yeah.
to interrupt, okay?
your excuse.